CCTV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Nonghikai jongka St. Paul's High Secondary School Nongpo Ribhoi District ha ka khat saw tri unai wing ar haja ar kila yo ban Pynkhih met da ka jing shim banta ha ka jing shart ba ki jing roi ba pher na ka banta ban Pynkmen ye ki Khynnah ba ki samla pulie kum shi banta ka jing rakhi ka si kar pang jong ki Khynnah ret la ne ka Children's Day ya ka bala ju rakhi ha baro ko wei kari India kum ka jing kan mau borom ya ubintri rangba baning kong e jong kari upandit Jawaharlal Nehru ha ka ni ka singi la sakhi lang dau MLA jong ka Nongpo constituency uba Amiral Bonds im uba long kum kong san uba CBs im urang ba shnong ka mauro uba Opel lingdo uparish priest jong ka Nongpo parish u Father Peters imli ka principal jong ka St. Paul's High Secondary School ka Sister Angelina Marak Nonghikai lambat ki Khynnah School ki Khynnah School ki lapin inam bat deru ya ki tiar shnakti man pen pau perthai ya ka sab ka baki don bat kum joru ka jing shed ki jing bam ba pher kum ka jing edon bentalang ha ka ni ka sngi uba Amiral Bon ula IT da ka check ka ba shilak san pho hajar ba ka school kan dup yo thiet ya ka computer
We will carry our good work and deeds within our constituency, but in a paucity of time where we could not propose huge amount from the schemes and all, but I've tried to manage from whatever resources I have. So this is a small token of help so that you can buy computers, computer class for the student, and I hope that it will enlighten the student, the teachers and the school. It is a moment of joy for each and every one of us. Dear students, it is a tough way ahead that we have to travel in our journey. I would like to ask one question to our dear student. Please lend me your ears for 1 minute. Dear student, there is a question to each and every one of you. Anybody who want to become a star, please raise your hand. Who want to become a star? Dear student, please raise your hand. I can't see. Not even a single hand. Everybody. Somebody want to be a rock star. Somebody want to be a football star. Somebody want to be a star in his studies. But I'll tell you, student, very important message to each and every one of you. That star does not shine because they want to be seen, but they shine because they are the stars. You are the stars of your own. It's not that you just want to be seen by someone. but it has to be from deep inside your heart that you are a born star. You are born to be a star. No matter what, difficulties, ups and downs, thick and thin, you have to be prepared in this very difficult world that we are traveling, each and every one of us.
Here today to encourage you, to pray for you, and to support you in all your studies, that tomorrow maybe become leaders. As we have seen here, local MLA, he was students like you in different places, in different colleges, in different universities. So that is nice to have you here, sir, because you are a young leader of our region, of our state. And we like to thank you for this day, being with us here for this whole day of our Children's Day. And we would also like to thank the parents who are supporting us from time to time in our function here at our school and in the events of our function here in our area. So I would like to thank. I prayed for you this morning and that the Lord may give you with good health of mind and body so that you may be able to fulfill your duty as you are going to write for the promotion exams, for the public exams that to be soon to be conducted in the school and also in the state of Meghalaya. So once
Kaneka lat kelenti ke bama phi phio kongu ye gino hikai jong phi pole minot bhai gikot gisla bat sobha banom klet lano ru ya ka jing tre sitom jong kimi gikpa jong phi kimi kas ep kas ar teng kas namru na ka banta ban pha ye phi sya ka school namar kata ma phi ki balayo ya kaneka lat kelenti ban one school hangne po kaneka school St. Paul jungi kawai ne school ki ba bhatam hangne po kane garib hoy jungi ila banong kawai ne school ke bala paunam tam nadu ki por ki ba mensua hadu menta kadang pendek persa ya kane ga kerdan jipule po kane ke school te to minot thok to tre sitom to ele sitom kat bala ba pin poi sya ka thong jong ga jingjok.